Good morning, students. Let's continue chapter 6. Today's topic is exercise 6.3. In this section, students, you will study about equation of tangent line and equation of normal line at the given point. Okay, and we will use differentiation to find the equation of tangent line and the normal line. First of all, recall the equation of straight line at a given point x0, y0. Okay, and slope m. So first equation of straight line at the point x0, y0 and slope m is y minus y0 is equal to m x minus x0. Okay, you all have been study about this in 11th standard. And now slope of tangent line. Okay, at point x0, y0, it is dy by dx at the point x0, y0. Okay, it is the slope of tangent. Okay, and now equation of tangent at the point x0, y0. Okay, it is y minus y0 is equal to here dy by dx at the point x0, y0 and here it is x minus x0. Okay, it is the slope and this is the equation of tangent line. Let's see the graph. Okay, so let this is any curve. Okay, and so point A. This line is the tangent at A and the perpendicular line this. Okay, this line it's a normal at point A. Okay, and now we are finding the slope of normal. Okay, students, so slope of normal at A point, suppose it is x0, y0, it is minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x0, y0. Okay, and equation of normal at x0, y0, it is y minus y0 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx at the point x0, y0 and here it is x minus x0. Student, you know that tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other. Okay, and slope of any line is the angle tan theta with positive x axis. So there are two particular cases. Okay, first, if tan theta is equal to 0, it means slope is equal to 0 degree. Slope is 0, it means line tangent line is parallel to x axis. Okay, if slope is 0, then only. Okay, students, and the second point, if theta is equal to pi by 2, it means tan theta, it is infinity. Okay students, then slope of tangent is infinity. It means tangent line is perpendicular to x axis. Okay, so keep in mind these 2 points. If the slope is 0, then tangent line is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis means y is equal to y naught. Okay, and here tangent is theta is pi by 2. It means the tangent line is perpendicular to the x axis. Okay, and now I am going to solve question of exercise 6.3. Question number first, exercise 6.3. Its student question is find slope. Slope of tangent. Here curve is given, y is equal to 3 x raised 4 at x is equal to 4. Okay, simple. You have to find only dy upon dx at x is equal to 4. Differentiate this. It is 12x cube minus 4. Okay, and find the value at x is equal to 4. Substitute 4 here in place of x. Okay, you will get, sorry, it's 764. Okay, now question number 2. It is same student as question number first. So now I am going to solve question number 3. Here find the slope of tangent to the curve. Curve is given, y is equal to x cube minus x plus 1. Okay, at the point whose x coordinate is 2. Okay, so simple. First find dy by dx. Okay, it is 3x square minus 1. So dy upon dx at the point x is equal to, here it is given 2. So 3, 2 square minus 1. So answer is 11. Now student, question number 5. Here question is find the slope of normal to the curve. X is given students here a cos cube theta and y is given a sin cube theta. Okay, and we have to find the slope of normal at theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay, so first of all we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so find dx by d theta. Okay, you will get 3a cos square theta and derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay, from here you have to find dy by d theta. It is 3a sin square theta and derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Then find dy upon dx. Okay, so it is 3a sin square theta cos theta divided by minus 3a cos square theta sin theta. Okay, 3a will cancel student, 1 sin theta will cancel and cos theta will cancel. Minus tan theta. It is dy by dx. Okay, now slope of normal. It is minus 1 by dy by dx. Okay, at the point x naught y naught. Okay, which is given in the question. Theta is equal to pi by 4. So first it is minus 1 by minus 10 pi by 4. Okay, so answer is 1. It is the slope of normal. Or simple, from here you also can find dy by dx is equal to minus 10 pi by 4 is minus 1, and from here slope of normal it is reciprocal of this and reverse the sign, so you will get 1. Okay, you all know that m1 m2 is equal to minus 1 and normal and tangent are perpendicular to each other. Okay, now move for the next question. Question number 6. It is also, student, find the slope of normal. Okay, now I am going to solve question number 7. Question number 7. Find point at which tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis. First, here curve is given y is equal to x cube minus 3x square and minus 9x plus 7. First of all, find dy by dx. You will get 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Now student, condition is given that tangent is parallel to x-axis. It means dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, so from here you will find 3x square minus 6x minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, now solve it. First 3 take a common, it is x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so x square, and now middle term split, factorize it, you will get minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. X take common, x minus 3 plus 1. Here also x minus 3 is equal to 0. You will get two values of x. Okay, 3 and minus 1. Okay, and now we can find the points at which tangent. So x is 3 and minus 1, and then find the value of y from the curve. Y is equal to, here x take 3. Okay, so it is 3 cube minus 3 square 9 into 3 plus 7. Solve it. It is 27. It's also 27. 27 plus 7. So you will get minus 20. Okay, here x is equal to 3. So one point is 3 comma minus 20. Okay, and now take the another point, x is equal to minus 1. It's minus 1 cube, and from here it's 3 minus 1 square 9 into minus 1 plus 7. You will get minus 1. It's minus 3. Here plus 9 plus 7. Okay, so it is minus 4. So here 5 plus 7. You will get 12. So another point is x minus 1 and y is 12. Okay. Now move for the next question. Question number 8. Here, find a point on the curve. Curve is given y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Okay, and at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points. Okay, first student, see the graph of this point. Okay, here 2 points are given. Let A is to 0. Okay, it is on x axis. Another point is B. It is 4, 4. So it may be here. Okay, B 4, 4. Suppose it's 1 here, 2, 3 and 4. Same as here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this point. And this is the chord. And when meet this point, it is the curve like this. Okay, curve is like this. Now student, tangent is parallel to this chord. Okay, so it's the tangent at this point. Okay, here given that tangent is parallel to the chord. Okay, AB is a chord. It means slope of AB is equal to slope of tangent. Okay, so find the slope of AB. Slope of AB, it is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, it is the slope of AB. Now solve it. Here y2 is 4, y1 is 0, and here x2 it's 4 and it is 2. You will get 2. It means slope of the tangent to the curve is 2 only. Okay, and now from the curve, find dy by dx. You will get it's 2x minus 2. Okay, and from here we find that slope of tangent is 2. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 2, and from here it's 2x minus 2 is equal to 2. From here x minus 2 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 3. Okay, and now find the value of y from curve. Okay, so here y is equal to 3 minus 2 whole square. Okay, you will get y is equal to 1. So point is 3, 1. Okay, answer of this question. Now move for the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, find the point on the curve y is equal to, here it is x cube minus 11x plus 5. Okay, at which tangent is, here student tangent is given. Tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. Okay, so first of all, from the given curve, okay, here curve is given y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Find dy by dx. Slope, you will get 3x square minus 11. Okay, and it is the equation of tangent. So slope of the tangent and from this curve slope of the tangent will be equal. So from this equation y is equal to x minus 11. So slope of this line is 1. Okay, take only the coefficient of x, since it is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, and now slope of the given curve and slope of this given tangent equation is equal. Okay, So you have to write here 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. Therefore, 3x square is equal to 12 and x is equal to plus minus 2. Now find the value of y. Okay. So when x is equal to 2, substitute in the equation, given equation. So here y is equal to 2 minus 11. You will get y is equal to minus 9. So point is 2 comma minus 9. Okay. When x is equal to minus 2, you will get y is equal to minus 2 minus 11. So y is equal to minus 13. Okay. So another point is minus 2 minus 13. And now let's check that these 2 points lie on this given curve or not. Okay. So first, from the given curve, here y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. If we substitute this first point, here y is minus 9, x is 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. It's 8 minus 22 plus 5. So it's minus 9. Okay. It means this point satisfies the given curve. It is lie on the curve. Now for this another point. Here y is minus 30. Substitute minus 2 in place of x. 11 minus 2 plus 5. You will get minus 8 plus 22 plus 5. Okay. So it is 19. Okay. So here it's minus 13. Okay. So minus 13 is not equal to 19. This point doesn't lie on the given curve. You have to write minus 2 minus 13 doesn't lie on curve. So only answer is the point 2 comma minus 9 is on curve. Okay.